Hello, and welcome to our video on the ban on discrimination. So the Renters' Rights Act also introduces stronger protections against discrimination within the private rented sector. Blanket bans such as no DSS, no benefits or no children are no longer considered acceptable and could potentially expose landlords and agents to discrimination claims. The focus is now shifting towards assessing applicants based on affordability, suitability and individual circumstances rather than assumptions or blanket policies. As agents, this is something we have always supported. We have never operated blanket discrimination policies against tenants with children or tenants in receipt of benefits. Instead, we've always focused on assessing applicants individually based on affordability, referencing suitability and the overall circumstances of the tenancy application. However, under the new legislation, documentation consistency and transparency are becoming even more important. That means landlords and agents need to be much more careful around how properties are marketed, how conversations are handled, and how applicant decisions are documented. So what are we doing about it as agents? We have reviewed and updated our procedures to ensure our lettings process remains fully compliant with the new legislation and current guidance. And that includes reviewing marketing wording and property advertisements, updating landlord guidance and internal procedures, training staff on compliant and fair applicant assessments, focusing on affordability and suitability rather than stereotypes, keeping clear written records of application decisions and communications, and ensuring all applicants are assessed consistently and fairly. We're also helping landlords understand that while they are still entitled to carry out affordability checks and referencing, decisions must now be evidence-based and objectively justified. For example, income, credit history, referencing results, employment status, and overall affordability can still all be considered as part of the application process, provided they are applied fairly and consistently. The reality is that documentation, consistency and transparency are becoming increasingly important across all areas of tenancy management under the new legislation. Our aim is to ensure the lettings process remains fair, professional, compliant and properly evidenced for both landlords and tenants. As always, if you've got any questions about this subject, please do not hesitate to contact us.